Just wanted to make sure that everybody knew how to access their feedback on assignments. So in order to do this, I have to go in as a student. My view is a little different than yours. So I'm in as a student right now. And so to see your feedback on assignments, you go to assignments, and over here on the right side of the page, you'll see this student has access feedback. If you have not, it would say feedback unread. And what you do is you click on that. So for example, um, on the works cited, looking at the feedback, you can see that this student scored high points for everything, but if the points were lower, you look at the video for how to do your 1-inch margin, or how to do works cited centered at the top of the page, or double spacing, etc., 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 especially hanging indents. So a lot of people struggle with those, but both Google and Microsoft Word will do it for you. And you can see on this student that student has made a clear attempt at including all information. While some of the entries were duplicates, you may have to add in some information. So I gave the student an example. So for the one of majors and degrees, this is what I got when I put it into the citation machine. Probably the student was missing the 22 right here. And then they had a very long citation that when I put it in and manually put in like what the title of the article was, what the title of the website was, etc., this was the citation I got. And so again, if you want to see your feedback, go to assignments. So the same place you're going to submit, and you can see here where you've submitted things, you click on this one was unread, probably because she got 100, but you just click on the word unread, the word read, whatever, to access your feedback so you can clearly see what it is that needs to be taken care of. Hope that helps.